Hello everyone, today we're making French toast. It's a tasty and brunch recipe. So first off, we're going to roll a lemon to squeeze the pulp, then we slice it in two and extract the juice in a juicer. Then we take all blueberries and put lemon juice on top. We take vanilla extract, sugar, castor and sage. We stir everything together. Afterwards, we heat our blueberries in a pan, stir well until it starts melting into a puree, and then we take eggs in a bowl. We take milk, vanilla extract, and sugar. Then we stir our mix, and we take some brioche and cut slices. Afterwards, we soak our slices in an egg mix and we put butter in a pan, eating slice by slice and side by side until golden. And voila, bon appetit! Don't forget to like, follow and download the Toast Recipe app to discover more recipes like this one. Ciao ciao!